Creating and managing user accounts. In Sales Manager, you can create user accounts with varying levels of access to application. You can specify exactly what they can do and what they can access. To manage user accounts on your Sales Manager system, go to Settings, here, and then choose Users from the ribbon. You will see a window like this. So each tile like this is a user, and this is a list of all existing users. Each user has a picture, like a profile picture, a name, a surname, an email address, and a role in the system. So what defines what they can do. The card in the top left corner is the card of the admin, so the first user that was added in this application. You can edit their settings but not delete it. And other cards you can create, delete, and modify however you wish. So we're going to create a new user account. To do this, click here, add a new user account. And here you can enter all the data, so name, surname, email, password to log into the system, and confirm password for validation. After you enter all the information, you can also check if the password is strong and choose a profile picture. Now we're going to configure permissions. Click Next. Now select a system role for this user. System roles are like default presets of permissions intended to make management easier. After you select a role, those permissions will become marked, so this means that this user will have access to the selected things. You can also make custom permission sets, and I'll show you how. We'll choose, for example, Manager. So those are the default settings for Manager. But we can also open and edit anything we like, remove or add additional access. When you make a custom set, it is necessary to give it a name, and then you can save it as a completely new set. As you can see, this user will have full access to the Your Marketing page, the e-commerce NextGen, website marketing, social media, wizards, mobile marketing, and tests. Now we can, for example, remove access from Autoresponder wizard. And after that, give it a name and click Save as New. Now coming back to the default role sets, the administrator is the strongest possible role in the system and has access to most of the features. The manager has full access to contacts and to statistics on sent email campaigns. The salesman is designed to have basic access to CRM and basic analytics, and the marketer has access to everything besides administrative features. Finally, the sender is a type of the account that has access to contact cards and lists, so the most basic access. So this is a person who can send emails only with the help of another user. And finally, the normal user has access to most features of the system, but limited access to administrative features, similarly to the marketer. However, the normal user also has restricted access to assigned contacts, so they can see only their contacts. After you're done setting the permissions, scroll down and click Next. So here you can see the summary of the user that was created. So their basic information, profile picture, the name of the role they have assigned, and a complete overview of all permissions. Everything in the system that they can access is shown here, so you can see in detail exactly what they will be able to do in your Sales Manager application. And finally, here's the information. If this user can export contacts using this account. You can always come back to editing, and when you're done, just click Save. That's it, we're back to the list.